Fat man, I hear you from time to time. I don't know if you're talking to me, but Papa Spook gonna stick his head out behind his corn shed and lean forward, and I know it's cold. Man, the company see y'all got from 3 to 3.5 inches of snow. Good morning to you. Papa down in the horn, in the sunshine, walking with shorts and short shoes down. North Dakota.
Hey, Papa, say pistol 127 New York City. Hey, Papa, say pistol 127 New York City. Oh, Papa, pistol grip 127 New York video gate is rolling.
I heard somebody trying to get back my wrist. Pump it up, pistol whip. Hey, pistol whip, pump that thing up. No. But Papa gonna roll point, why don't you be...
Why, I got him, duck plucker, shut up.
I couldn't catch the boy, but I'm gonna get my wicked knees and read my chin anyway. Papa down in the big gun. Oh, Papa's full way back at you. Well, I'm sorry, I can't. That's waving. I don't know who I'm waving at, but I'm waving. Oh, Papa got there and go.
Hey, Papa, look at 15-watt pistol you're waving at. Hey, Papa, pistol, New York. Hey, Papa, pistol, New York. Oh, Papa, pistol, 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 pistol. Papa, pistol, grip 127 New York video gate. Let's go. Papa, that be pistol grip 127 New York video gate. Papa, that be pistol you were waving at. Papa, pistol, 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 New York, I'm clear. Be nobody but pistol grip, New York City video gate running. Pistol grip, New York City video gate is rolling. Oh, pistol grip, New York City Blizzard video gate is back quiet. Hey, Michael. Hey, Michael.
Hey, what? Hey, what?
Why I gotta pump it up? What's your meter doing? What's my 15 watts doing on your meter?
You ain't even doing a what?
Oh, man. But you can hear me, though. And so can they.
Yeah. Thank God ain't nobody out here. If anybody with a key on you, be...
Hey, Papa, you know that was pistol grip New York. Hey, Papa, you know that was pistol grip New York. Papa, pistol, Papa, pistol, Papa, pistol. I go.
I ain't got to watch 31, got to get this weight out of his back. Down on the bottom of the stove, Papa, it's full way, he said. Lord have mercy. I called that cat back in Texas on the dump, plug it in, and the whole world just fell apart. No doubt about it. Let me get out of here. Hello, Lee said 917 in Texas, and that Mobile. Michael Jackson and Big Apple standing by.
And the pistol grip 127 New York City video gate is rolling. Pistol grip 127 on YouTube. Back quiet. Hey, Papa pistol. Hey, Papa pistol grip. Papa, look at New York City, Papa. Papa 127. Papa pistol. Papa pistol. Papa pistol. Oh, pistol. There I go.
I like the way that thing sounds. That can make it working. That brother got an audio from the top to the bottom, and that can make it doing his thing. But you know how they go. It ain't nothing but a Mother Nature thing, and sometimes you got to help out because you working with it now. No doubt about it. Hey, dog, I hear you. I think I heard that man. I'm going to back this guy big down. But that's about right now. I ain't worried about 31. 31. What 31 got to do is get this little bit of all the town money over his back. Oh, Papa got down. BB dog that oh, Papa knows.
Hey, Papa, don't worry about 31. He's not in my New York video gate. Hey, Papa, look at the pistol audio. Hey, Papa, look at that pistol audio. Papa pistol, Papa pistol. Oh, Papa pistol with these 15 watts out of New York. I'm back wide. He said hellacious audio, but Mother Nature. Hey, Michael. Hey, Michael.
31. Hey, shoot, you're down. You're 31. Say bye, 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 bye. And then I put in your key. Worldwide, shoot, you're down. Astrodome.
Pistol grip 127 New York video gate rolling. Pistol grip 127 New York video gate rolling. Pistol grip 127 New York video gate back quiet. 15 watts of dangling audio fury.
Hey, Chuck Rock, dog, forget about Houston on that count digging in, man, and Stockton, Dallas, Texas. Oh, Chuck Rock, dog, Sidewinder. Oh, Sidewinder said, Louis Drive in Dallas, Texas, get love.
Pistol grip, New York City video gate rolling. Pistol grip, New York City video gate rolling. Pistol grip 127 New York, bye bye bye.
14 while you on that, man, with doggone you side and so good. I had to have a place to keep this cat nigga down and try to say how you do the thing on that cat nigga in, no doubt about that. But tell your dog, you smoke it in Dallas, no doubt. Old Sidewinder right downtown Dallas, and I'm getting up. Hello, Sidewinder. Hello, Sidewinder, 555. Hello, Sidewinder, your 555 in the Big Apple Break Break.
Hello, 426 Central Texas. Hello, 426 Central.
Hell, and after a while, you jump your dog, and we appreciate you too, man, no doubt about that, man. Peace, love, joy, grace, and happiness around the world, man. Tell them all a couple million miles around Big D, Dallas, Texas. Mr. Junkie Love Dog, old Sidewinder, Dallas is clear. Hello, Sidewinder, we bumping down a little harder. Hello, Sidewinder, the Big Apple. Man, they made me get hello around the Big Apple. Who is you around the Big Apple? Hello to you around the Big Apple, old Sidewinder.
Let him know that pistol grip gate is rolling.
Sidewinder, ain't nobody but 555. Hello, Sidewinder, ain't nobody but old 555 in the Big Apple Break Break.
Uh-oh, something went south on Trip shit.
What you waiting on, Sidewinder? What you waiting on, 555 Big Apple Break? 31.
That cat nigga might be waiting on Mother Nature.
Trip, something ain't right on your end. Something went south. You'll catch it in the gate later.
Small watt station. Hey, 555, J-Man, low watts at a great big large antenna with the wave.
Hello, J-Man, with the little big watch with the great big old antenna. You sound good in the Big Apple. J-Man, your 555 in the Big Apple right back to your good station, Break Break.
Hey, man, you sounded good down here yourself, so say some of them flowers, brother. Hey, man, I just want to see if I can make the trip, and I'm about to head out to those salty mine, but I just wanted to bump it down to get my name called. 555 J-Man around these swamps. I got to go. I'll see you.
Turn right, J-Man. My neighbor told me to let you know that your video, you got a video gate rolling, New York video gate on YouTube, 127 New York video gate on YouTube. You'll find yourself on there if you're interested in that type of stuff. J-Man, your friend 5 in the trees with a nickel. I'm gone.
127 New York? Is that what you said? He's on YouTube under 127 New York?
Pistol grip 127 on YouTube.
Roger, Pistol Grip 127. Pistol Grip 127 New York video gates. Well, it's Pistol Grip 127, break. Hey, you're down.
All right, man, I'm going to look for it. Pistol Grip 127. I'm going to definitely go look for it, man. Put on you later, 555, J-Man, in the bayou. I'll see you.
Bye, J-Man. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
It's top of your day out there, Pistol Grip as well. Don't let me forget that. 555, J-Man, gone.
Get down.
Hey, Fives, he coming in the gate as good as you.
Yeah, you gotta hammer down. You gotta damn hammer down. You say you sound just as good as me. Hey, J-Man, he said, I'm his local. He said you sound just as good as me, Brink.
That's because I got this great big old super badass big 500 antenna, man. This is a big 500, 37-foot 5 element. And I don't have no much power, man, but I got this great big antenna, and it'll keep me where I need to be, Timbo.
10-4 on that. It'll definitely keep you where you need to be. Sound you around the corner down the block somewhere. J-Man with your good sounding station 5 in the trees. I see you.
I'll see you.
I'm gonna try it. J-Man pistol grip 127. J-Man pistol grip 127. J-Man, you blowing up my video gate pistol 127, 15 watts, clear.
Hey, this is just 15 watts is getting on down, man. I wish I was rolling the gate myself so I could show you how good you sound. Man, you're making a fine trip down here around Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Roger, Roger. Have a blessed day. We're gonna put it up under the Blizzard gates. Pistol grip 127 on YouTube. Blizzard Day. I'm clear.
Bye, John. Bye. Alright, I don't see I can't find him, man. I don't see I can't find him, but I got to go, man. I work on Colin all the time, and they waiting on me somewhere, so I got to hit this truck and roll. And appreciate that. And I'll catch y'all later. It's 22 Main. I heard you in there too, top of the morning. J-Man in the value up 10-7. I'll see y'all.
But I did get some of it, no doubt about it. Bill, you get how much you later on sideline $1 and I'll sleep.
There you go, Rich. That thing talking.
Hey, big girl,
I know. I'm gonna label it J and Sidewind. I'm gonna label it J and Sidewind. I'm back quiet.
Folks here.
Alright, BB bulldozer. Hey, Mr. Big Boy, Big Boy.
Pennsylvania to Bertrand, I'm gone.
Well, and that's what I call a Blizzard Day special. Fives, you can get her. I'm quiet.
The big girl, I'm gone, Mario.
Hello, number 7, Big Apple Trees. Got down.
7 Virginia side, $1.
Hey, we got $1. Come on.
Back on 22. Oh, 22 on the city, man. Don't shoot y'all.
Good morning, big girl.
Hello, big man. Hello, John. Hello. Bear around Pennsylvania. Oh, side $1. Getting up.
John Henry, 2015.
Good morning over there, my big friend.
That was Sidewinder 7. He shot back to you like a boomerang in the gate. I'm clear.
Your friend John Henry, Brooklyn, New York. Watch me, I go.
Well, I sure appreciate that. I sure do, because this way I can talk out there,
Fuck it.
That big girl, number 7, Big Apple Trees, got down.
My pleasure and the double measure, big girl. John Henry getting out the middle of the road. Big girl, I gotta go.
Around the Big Apple Tree. Oh, Sidewinder, Dallas, Texas. What?
Sidewinder, anybody but John Henry around these apple trees? I was talking to
Big girl, number 7, Big Apple Trees, got down.
20, 15 ways, Sidewinder, I'm gone. Bye. John Henry, Brooklyn, New York, stepping, I'm gone. hope I'm right. I'm reading the mail. Right, John Henry, that's what I said. Hey, John Henry, that's what I said. 442 and Mardi. Hello, John Henry. 442, down, Mardi. Bye. 442, your friend John Henry, Brooklyn, New York. 2015, you and yours, don't let in. Hello, John Henry and all that snow in New York, T.Y. Daddy, New Orleans. Said bye. Right back to you on that end, man. You sounded real good. Hello, John Henry, T.Y. Daddy, New Orleans. Hello, John Henry and that snow in New York, T.Y. Daddy, bye. $5, I'm getting out of here. New Orleans, take care of T.Y. Daddy. Good morning. 2015, you and yours, John Henry, New York, with the snow. With all the snow, the big apple tree, T.Y. Daddy, John Henry, stepping up.
Pistol Grip 127 New York video gate still rolling. Pistol Grip 127 New York video gate still rolling. Back in my cut.
Good Lord. T.Y. Daddy, maybe next time you be able to make it through the whole song. T.Y. Daddy, I'm gone. Bye, John Henry, New York, and hello around California. I want to go to Howland Bell. T.Y. Daddy want to go to Howland Bell. T.Y. Daddy gone. Jefferson Highway, quiet. Hello, 45 in the garden. Hello, 45. All right, no get back on your head. Don't get my knees up. How about that John Henry up there in New York? 341, easy ride into DC, New Orleans, standing by. 341? 341 in the diesel car, New Orleans. Somebody no get back on John Henry. I think on 42 on that Camping side. I'm back quiet. He's around. Go ahead. Right there right now, ain't nobody but 442. Hey, John Henry, right there right now, ain't nobody but 442. Hey, John Henry, 442, read your mail, bite. Turn around 442. I'm going to right there. Hello, 162, 442, downtown Mardi Gras, bye. Jeff O'Reilly on that 35, fella. Jeff O'Reilly on that 35. Let me get my knees in the green, 42 back out. Hey, 162, 442 again. Hello, 162, 442. Hey, 162, 442. Hello, 162, 442. Your radio sounds like it's booming. The 4100 Uncle Bill told you so. Okay, Roger, 162. Hey, 162, I had to crack that mobile up a little bit, no doubt about it. They're trying to get it back in your control, no doubt. 162. I put hot sauce? I want that Louisiana hot sauce on my seafood platter. 357, I want that Louisiana hot sauce on my seafood platter. Louisiana, not Texas Pete. Louisiana hot sauce. Put it on you later, 357. Too hot, daddy gone. Raya. That's right. I don't want no Texas Pete. I do not want Texas Pete. I want Louisiana hot sauce. You see, they don't sell nothing but Louisiana hot sauce. Put it on your little 357.
Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate, 22 minutes long already. Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate. What a hellacious video gate. Pistol Grip 127 New York City, YouTube. I'm Claire.
Y'all stay warm. Watch that snow, 707. Too hot, daddy gone. 10-4, Roger. Thanks for looking out. No doubt. Too hot, daddy. I had to wave the friendly fire at you, man. I heard you out there. You sounded real good up here pointing out west. Roger. I appreciate it. Too hot, daddy. New Orleans, quiet.
All sound real good in my Pistol Grip New York City Video Gate. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Back quiet.
Decent time downtown New Orleans. You like CC man. You gotta play the grits and the fork and the knife. I'm quiet. That's right, he was out of mean and walkie-talkie quiet.
Don't be quiet. My video gate ain't quiet. My video gate rolling. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube. Pistol Grip 127 New York Video Gate. Back quiet.
Hello, Pistol Grip. Too hot, daddy, looking at the West Coast. I'm not looking over there. Hello, Pistol Grip. Too hot, daddy, gone.
10-4 Roger. Pistol Grip 127 on YouTube Video Gate. Pistol Grip 127 YouTube New York Video Gate. Back quiet. Oh snap! Rock steady, Richie. Rock steady, Richie with the video gate. Back quiet. No contact, Rock steady, Richie Radio, New York City Video Gate. Back quiet.